Hello kids, welcome to Melu Classroom. I hope you all are doing great at home. Yes, so come on, show me your big smiley faces, children. Yes. So children, let's start our today's session with a good morning song. Okay, are you all ready? Show me your thumbs up. Yes. Hey, good morning. Oh, good morning. What a wonderful day. Mommy and Daddy, I love you. Come to me when I call you. Mommy and Daddy, I love you. Give me a kiss when I ask you. Give me a kiss when I ask you. Yes, so children, we are very energized today. Yes, so let's get into our session today. So children, today I am going to teach you a new shape. Yes, so before we see what is that shape, let's get into the story time. Children, in our story, I have a new friend. Okay, so let me introduce the friend to you. Okay, so he is Mr. Circle. Yes, so he is Mr. Circle, and say hi to Mr. Circle, children. Yes, so Mr. Circle is very happy. You know why? Mr. Circle is getting ready to go somewhere. And children, do you want to know where he is going? So Mr. Circle is very busy in getting ready, and he was seeing at the clock to know what is the time. Yes, children, it was 5 o'clock in the evening, and Mr. Circle is getting ready because he want to go to a party. So Mr. Circle got ready and he went to the bus stop. Okay. The bus came and Mr. Circle got into the bus. And then the conductor came, children. Then Mr. Circle gave a coin to the conductor. Yes. And the conductor took the coin and gave a ticket to the Mr. Circle. The bus was going, and Mr. Circle started singing, "The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town." Yes, so Mr. Circle is enjoying singing the song, and then the bus stopped near the traffic signal. And children, Mr. Circle was looking at the traffic signal and he noticed that the lights in the traffic signal are in the shape of a circle, and it is the signal lights are also round in shape. Yes, and then Mr. Circle got down the bus and he went to the party. So here is the party, and Mr. Circle is enjoying in the party and having lots of fun. Mr. Circle enjoyed dancing and he also played the ring game. Yes, children, do you know a ring game? Yes, we all love playing in the school, right? Now we missed the school because of COVID. Yes, so he enjoyed playing the ring game, and Mr. Circle also got a smiley because he played very well the game. Okay, so Mr. Circle, after playing the ring game, he was very happy because he played very well and he also got a smiley. Yes, then he started feeling hungry, children. So children, Mr. Circle is enjoying his food, eating donuts, onion rings and also cookies. And did you notice, children, he is eating in a round plate. Yes, he kept all these donuts, onion rings and cookies in a round plate and he started eating. Now his tummy is full, children. Mr. Circle is very happy and his tummy is full, and he went back to the home happily. Okay, and children, while he was sleeping, he saw a moon in the sky. Yes, the moon is full he saw a full moon in the sky and he was very happy and he went to sleep. So Mr. Circle was very happy and he went to sleep looking at the full moon. Okay. Now children, this is the story of Mr. Circle. Did you all enjoy the story? Yes. Now let's recall what all things which we have seen in our story which are in round in shape or which are in the shape of a circle, just like Mr. Circle. Okay. In our story we have seen a clock and the clock is in the shape of a circle. And then Mr. Circle went to the bus and he started singing, wheels of the bus go round and round. Yes, so the wheels of the bus are also round in shape. That means they are in the shape of a circle. And then Mr. Circle gave a coin to the conductor. Yes, and the shape of the coin is also a circle. And then Mr. Circle noticed that the traffic lights are also in the shape of a circle. Yes. So, and then he went to the party and there he played the ring game. Yes, children. And the shape of the ring is also a circle. And then for playing the game very well, he received a smiley. And did you observe, children? The shape of the smiley is also a circle. And then he enjoyed having his yummy and delicious food, right? So what did he eat, children? He ate donuts, onion rings and cookies. All these are in the shape of a circle. Yes. So these are the things which we have seen in our story which are in the shape of a circle. Yes, all these are just like Mr. Circle. Yes, children. So now I have got a, what is this? Shape detector. Yes, and this is the shape detector. And did you notice, children, what is the shape of the detector? Very good. This is circle in shape. A circle is a closed figure that goes round and round. It has no sides and no corners. So it is a closed figure and it goes round and round. Yes. So now let's see what are the things which my shape detector can detect which are in the shape of the circle. Okay. Detect, detect, detect. Come on, start detecting. Yes, it has detected a wall clock. It is in the shape of a circle. So now I will detect some more things which are in the shape of a circle. Come on, detect, 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 detect. Yes, I have found, my detector has found sun. Sun is in the shape of a circle. Then again we will start detecting. Detect, 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 detect. Yay! Moon is also in the shape of a circle. Yes. And now children, it's your turn. You also look around the things and search for the objects which are in the shape of a circle. Come on, you can do it, children. Start detecting. Yes. Children, did you find the shape of the bottle cap is also round in shape? That means circle. And children, do you know the shape of a bangle which mama wears is also in the shape of a circle? Yes. And children, we have seen so many things and examples which are in the shape of a circle. So, a circle is a closed figure which is round in shape. Okay. It has no sides and no corners. I repeat, circle is a closed figure and is round in shape. It has no sides and no corners. It goes round and round. Yes. So now let's see what more we can learn from our book. So children, we have learned many things about circle, right? Now let's do an activity which is given in our book. Here we have a boy and he is very sad, children. Do you know why? Even I don't know. So repeat. So children, here we have a picture of a boy and I think he is very sad. Okay, and beside him we have few shapes. So now let's identify the shape circle and draw few smileys for the boy. Okay, so we know how a circle look like. Okay, so now let's identify circle and make a smiley. Okay children. So children, this is a circle. So this is also a circle and this is also a circle. So I have identified circle and now my job is to make a smiley. Yes, so I will make eyes. So I have identified circle and made smileys for the boy. Yes children. So let's see one more activity. So children, here in this activity I need to identify the pictures which are in the shape of a circle and circle them. Okay. So now this is sun and it is in the shape of a circle. So I need to circle it. And what is this? Window. Is this in the shape of a circle? No. And children, what is this? Wheel. And it is in the shape of a circle. We know the wheels go round and round. Yes. So now let's circle the wheel. And children, here is our favorite pizza. Yes. So this pizza is in the shape of a circle. So let me circle the pizza. So children, now let's do a hands-on activity. So children, now let's do a hands-on activity. For doing this activity, I need some Play-Doh. Okay. So I have taken some Play-Doh and made a I have taken a small ball of Play-Doh and now I will roll it. Okay. So I will roll it. Roll, 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 roll. Now I'll make a circle with this. Okay. So it goes round and round and it is a closed figure. So now close both the ends together. So this is a circle. Now I'll make few circles with the help of a bottle cap, children. So we can take anything which is in the shape of a circle. You can take bottle caps, bangles, yes, and then I need some color. Okay, watercolor. So now I'll dip this bottle cap into the color. Repeat. I will dip this bottle cap in the watercolor and make circles. So these are my circles. So you can also try doing this activity using bottle caps or bangles, anything which is in the shape of a circle. Yes children. So you also try doing these activities at your home. So children, we have learned so many things in today's class. So let's recall what all we have learned today. We have learnt a new shape, that is circle. Circle is a closed figure and is round in shape, and it has no sides and no corners. We have seen the story of Mr. Circle, and we have also seen so many things around us which are in the shape of a circle. We have also done the activities which are given in our book, and also a hands-on activity. Now we will repeat. Now it's your turn. Look for the objects which are in the shape of a circle in your house and tell to your parents. Okay, children? And children, mama will make rotis at your home, right? Try to observe the shape of the rotis or chapatis which mama makes and tell her the name of the shape. Okay? That's all for today's session. See you in the next class. Bye.